Your Koto module may have quite a few different features. One of them might be that you can color select which color temperature you'd like on your module. And before we begin, our first step should always be to shut off the power at the circuit breaker. You'll also be receiving 3 different beam spread lenses you can swap out instantly after removing the outer ring. At this time, you can also install any one of a number of different secondary optics, perhaps a diffuser or a louver. Replace the secure ring, and with a 1/4 turn, install the module into the trim. Connect the LED connector, and simply push the trim up into the housing securely. Take the old fixture down. Remove it gently from the ceiling until you can kind of tell how it's up. It's going to be here, but it's meant to come out without any tools. Disconnect the connector, and you're ready for the new fixture. To install the new fixture, again, it's just a 1/4 turn into the trim. Connect the orange connector, and insert the fixture and trim into the ceiling. And you're done.